Welcome to Sklearning, the series of ADF questions. In today's video, we'll break down ADF, a powerful cloud-based ETL service for data integration. If you're new to Azure or data engineering, make sure to subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Let's start another question. What is the difference between mapping data flows and wrangling data flows? Mapping data flows uses Spark-based transformations for data processing. Wrangling data flows uses Power Query for low-code transformations. Another question, what are linked services in ADF? A linked service is like a connection string to external data sources. It helps ADF connect with databases, storage accounts, APIs, and cloud services like Azure SQL, Amazon S3, and Google BigQuery. Another question, what are datasets in ADF? Datasets represent data structures within the linked service pointing to tables, files, or folders. They define the format and location of data to be processed.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.